First up in our Systainer lineup, the incredible premium dado set. This powerhouse accessory delivers flawless, one-pass dados, grooves, and rabbets with unmatched precision and zero tear-out. And the best part? Everything you need to unleash this 8-inch dado set on our table saws is packed neatly inside the Systainer. Nestled in a custom-cut plastic liner, keeping everything organized, protected, and ready for action. Inside, you'll find two 24-tooth outer blades, 5 precision chippers in varying widths, and shims for dialing in the perfect fit. Plus, we've included a dado brake cartridge and brand new dado insert plate for all 3 of our cast iron saws. The ultimate Dado Systainer sells for $549, the opportunity for perfection in every cut. Next up in our Systainer lineup, the award-winning Revolution miter gauge. This isn't just a miter gauge, it's a game changer. With its innovation dual dial system, setting the perfect angle has never been easier or more precise. Simply turn the small dial to choose your increment from free turning to single degrees to 3 fractional settings, and then use the large dial to turn your exact angle. It's that simple and accurate. The RMG fence extends for crosscuts up to 37.5 inches, complete with an articulated flip stop for repeatable perfection. And the best part? Every piece, from the miter gauge to its accessories, fits snugly into a custom foam cutout inside of the Systainer. There's even a dedicated spot for a sacrificial fence you create yourself. The Revolution miter gauge Systainer delivers unmatched accuracy and convenience for woodworkers who demand the best, all for $599.